So, The Android Dream of Electric Sheep is a dystopian science fiction novel that takes place in San Francisco in the year 2021 and follows the bounty hunter Rick Deckard and a chicken head called John Isidore. And it kind of documents their journey and their experiences with a various cast of androids and kind of shows them what it means to be human, but also what it means to be inhuman. I think a major theme of this book is humanity's ability to express their emotions. So in this world, people must use replicants in order to have a outlet to kind of express how they feel. And one of the only really discernible differences between androids and humans is our ability to feel love and compassion towards others. Um, in the case of Phil Resch, the only defense he had as to why he was not an android was because he loved his animal that he owned, and this would be something that would be simply impossible for an android to do in his case. Um, so I think what Dick is really saying here is that without our ability, or if we had no way to show our love and our compassion towards others, towards other living things, I think that humanity really couldn't even be considered to be living at that point. I think empathy is also a very, very big part of this book, as the test to differentiate humans from androids is based entirely on empathy. But I think something that has to be kept in mind is that humans do not always have empathy. There could be a wide variety of different stipulations and situations where empathy may be lacking in people, whether it be due to a psychological disorder or otherwise. And also, I think it can question whether empathy is something that humans are necessarily born with, or it's something that we could learn or lose over time. If we look in the case of Phil Resch again, he has no empathy towards androids, as he clearly enjoys doing it. He enjoys retiring the androids, and Rick sort of over the course of the novel builds up his empathy towards the androids, and by the end he doesn't necessarily respect them, but he no longer finds any sort of satisfaction with his job, and he finds it completely immoral.